Hey, how are you doing? Hi. You know who I am? Yes, you guys know who I am, alright. Well, a week ago, I got this thing called Pacific Combat Pilot from Just Flight. It's got the Zero and the Wildcat with it. So when I was in Hobbs, I got it yesterday, June 23rd, and today's the 24th. So right now, I'm going to unbox the product. It's right here. You don't need to see my shipping details. You don't need to see my shipping details. Voila. Looks like the shrink wrap's getting ready to come apart, so I'm gonna say open this anyway. Crush, open this anyway. So look what we have here. Alright. We're gonna go look at it. If you can't read, I'll do everything I can to help you. I'm letting you read the back, so take the time you need. You can pause if you have to. The video, that is. Well, I'm gonna see what's in here. It should be a one-disc product. So we're gonna go what we have here. We got the disc. I'm gonna install it very soon. We got the manual, the Wildcat and the Zero, that is. All the good stuff that's in here. That said, my dad is responsible for ordering me this product. And he walked me through it. I bought it myself. So I like to thank him for it. And now that's him coughing in the background. And now that being the case, I'm going to sum up this video. And I hope to see you guys again.